stormy nights, to this mountain town. She heard his footsteps through the canyon's freeze, her tears of joy mixed with the winter breeze. He took her hand then, whispered, I'm right here, together facing the storm without fear. Doctor, doctor, won't you come around through the stormy nights to this mountain town? He wiped her forehead, felt the fever high. With gentle comfort, he looked in her eyes. She felt his warmth then, knew she wasn't alone. In that quiet cabin, love was clearly shown. Doctor, doctor, you finally came around through the stormy nights to this mountain town. Snow kept falling, but their spirits soared. In that mountain cabin, hearts began to warm. Doctor, doctor, you came through the storm to this mountain town where love can transform. Now in that village, tales are often told about the doctor's courage in the brutal cold. Children gather round the fire's light, listening closely to that snowy night. How he walked miles just to be by her side. In the depths of winter, love's a warmer ride. Doctor, doctor, your legend lives on through the stormy nights in this mountain song.